Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do an update on my Lip-A-Thon. This was a collab that was, I know Amy, Melissa, and somebody else, I can't remember her name, I'm so sorry. They came up with this idea and started this, and I know me and another lady have joined in. I'll put all the info in the description box down below and a link to go over and check out Amy and Melissa's page and her YouTube channel, because she is just a sweetheart. So anyway, what they are doing is you're using 6 lipsticks out of your collection. She is she put all her lipsticks in containers and she just grabs out. She chooses 3 new ones that she hasn't used before. They're brand new to her and she hasn't used them yet. And then 3 from her regular stash. She makes sure she has at least a gloss in there. There's a method to the way she does it. For me, I'm doing this because I want to make sure I use every lipstick in my collection, just like I do with my Project Level Up with my eyeshadow palettes. I want to make sure I've used every one of those. So with the Lip-A-Thon, I think, I forgot how many times I've been using them. I just keep using them. I just keep using them up. I think it's 5 times. Use each one 5 times. And then once I've done all 6 of my lipsticks, then it's time to level up. I know I kind of did a whole lot more this last time. But anyway, that doesn't matter. I've got new lipsticks today. First, let me show you what I was using. I had my Jeffree Star lip gloss. I love this. I love this lip gloss. And let's see, I'll have to get the magnifying glass. I need my magnifying glass so I can see what the name of it is. Crystal Kiss. I love this lip gloss. This is my favorite Jeffree Star lip gloss. Of course, I only have 2. But I love, it's like disco on your lips. That's just my opinion. Which, if you know me, I like shiny. I like shiny things. Okay, next I had this Merit lipstick in Fashion. Merit is a nice brand. I like Merit lipsticks. This is Fashion. Put some on my hand for you. There we go. Fashion. This is a very creamy lipstick, a very comfortable lipstick, and that's a very pretty color. So, and I believe that was sent to me by Merit. Sent me some cosmetics. I believe that was sent to me. I did not purchase that one. That one was a gift. Next, I have a MAC lipstick. It is a limited edition. It was from the second Selena collection, and this is Dreaming of You. It's very similar. It's a little darker and it's a little matte. This one's a matte. And the other one is a cream. But there we go. Next, I have a mini melt lipstick in Frisky. There we go. And I actually have that one on today. Frisky is what I have on today. There we go. And then I have 2 liquid lips that I had to use in this past time because it's just that time of year. They're both Too Faced. One is the Pumpkin Spice. You see, I had to have these for the holiday. Pumpkin Spice. They're on the end. Still smell yummy. And then Cinnamon Bear. And that is such a pretty deep red. So there we go. Those can now go back into my stash and let me show you what I am pulling out. Let's see. Where do I want to put them on my hand? Let's wipe these off. There we go. Good as new. Alright. First, I chose another lip gloss. I chose a Jeffree Star again. This is the second one I have. I only own 2. I wouldn't mind getting some more. This one is Pretzel Dip. Dip or drip? Drip. Pretzel Drip. There we go. It's just a It doesn't have a scent. It is a clear gloss with some gold, like, I don't want to say glitter. It's a gold shimmer in it. There we go. Next, I picked another Jeffree Star. This is the liquid lip in Clout. And it has a shimmery casing container. This is, oh, let me see if I can. This is a shimmery lipstick. Do you see that? It's like a purple, silver purple. A silver with hint of purple. That is pretty. That's going to be nice. That's going to be nice. Next, I picked a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This one is Walk of a Star. And that's what it looks like. I'm a fan of Charlotte Tilbury formulation. So yeah, I like that. Next, I picked out a Christian Dior lipstick. I got this one for my birthday one year. Can I read the name? Dior Kiss. This one is it is a sheer wash of color. It is not very opaque. It's just sheer, but I like it. There we go. Next, I have a MAC, and this is Ruby Woo, because I need a red at Christmas. So we're going with MAC. And this Ruby Woo, this version is a matte version of Ruby Woo. There we go. And then last, I picked a Huda, and I picked Trophy Wife. This is in the liquid lips. Trophy Wife is one of my favorites right there. It's a liquid matte, it says. So there we go. That is what I'm going to be using this next time around. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps with my algorithm. I would appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Remember, I'm going to have all the information about this project, and Amy, Melissa definitely will be linked down below, and the other ladies. So please go check them out. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.